Hey, welcome to Hausa Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to set brushes in Photoshop. Open the photo you need in Photoshop. Click on Edit at the top menu bar. Choose Presets, Preset Manager from the list. A new window will open. Set preset types to brushes. It has some brushes pre-installed. Click on Load. Choose the brushes you need and click on Load. You will get a separate folder with new brushes in it. Click on Done. Click on the brush tool from the left sidebar. Select the brush you need and go ahead. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!